My truck's a pavement princess?
It's gonna send it!
What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So I want to do a kind of a funny video because I like going through the comments and going through the comments on Instagram and all that. And the funny thing is, a lot of people say that my truck's a pavement princess, a mall crawler. I get some people are kidding and get the kind of inside joke, I guess. In no way am I saying this truck's a mud machine or it's purpose built for off-roading. It's not. All right. And it's not like I'm mad, guy. I'm not doing this because I'm mad. It's just I thought it was funny. I figured I'd put a little video together just showing how the truck isn't a mall crawler and isn't a pavement princess. You know, I made a joke about saying it is and stuff like that, but it's hard to really even define that. I don't even know what the true definition of a pavement princess is. I know it means you have a lifted truck with mud tires that only stays on the pavement. I feel like that's probably a lot of trucks. It's probably a lot of SEMA trucks that do that, but they're show trucks. I wouldn't want to be ruining those trucks either. My truck's not a show truck. This is my daily driver. You know, I don't have millions of sponsors sponsoring every part on this truck. I have a few, but that doesn't mean I'm just going to go out and destroy everything, you know. So I hope you guys enjoy this video I put together, just the highlights of this truck on the channel, all the off-roading clips and stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoy it. It was pretty fun making it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you stick around. I'm about to head out in the garage and show you guys some things. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway with some of these, probably in the next video, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna be giving away. And they're pretty cool. I think they're a cool thing to have around. They're definitely very useful. So let's go head out into the garage. All right, guys, so before I go, I was actually sent these. I got 3 of these things here. They are jump starters, as this one says, but they're not just jump starters. They can charge your phone, charge laptops. They can jump start motorcycles, trucks, cars, everything basically. These are all pretty different sizes. They're all different brands, so I guess I can go and open these and kind of show you what they do. They're pretty handy to have. You know, if you're on the go and you don't have a charger for your phone or whatever, throw one of these in your backpack. This one's made by AutoVox, and you know, they got flashlights, got strobes. The rest of the stuff's right here. It's got a small little carrying case there. You got the jump starters, chargers, and all that down there. So I mean, they're really handy to have. They last pretty long. I think I can charge my phone about 3 or 4 times, like with this one. And that one is, I believe, what's the peak amp on this one? The peak amp on this one's a smaller one. This is a 500 amp peak amp. So, you know, this wouldn't be one to start your truck with, a diesel truck with, but you know, 4-wheelers, stuff like that, motorcycles should be fine. This one could probably start my truck. So this one's a 1500 amp. It definitely could start my truck. You know, this can do basically everything this one can do. This one's just a little stronger. So, but they're both great. I've had them, you guys have seen on the channel, they've started my truck, stuff like that. Then you got this one over here. Basically the same thing as these ones, but all right, guys, so let me pull this thing out. This one's made by Tack Life. I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up real quick to show you. All right, so similar to the other ones, you got your alligator clamp here to jump start. You got your charger for in the car, and here is the unit itself. See, it's got the little compass on it, LCD screen there letting you know the charge level. I believe is what it does. Not showing on the camera, but it's 68%. So you got your engine start port right there. You got your flashlight like the other ones. The peak current on this one's 800. The peak current on this one's 1,000. But the starting current on this one's 1,000. And the peak current's 1,500 on this one. So this is the strongest one. I'm gonna put the link to all these in the description. And I'll tell you guys, I'm not just trying to sell these things, or I'm not selling them. You know, these are given to me, so I told them I'd do a review on them. Now, these things are great to have just laying around. I mean, like I said, you take them on vacations. You know, we travel quite a bit, so started the car with one of them before. The C5's been started with one of them before, so they are great to have. I'll put the link to all 3 of these ones in the description if you wanted to pick one up. Also, we're going to be doing a giveaway with these.